my name is Bérénice Dupeux. I'm currently coordinating the Tools4CAP project, and I'm going just to tell you more about what the project is about, what we have been doing, and what we are doing in the next year. So Tools4CAP is a support action funded by Horizon Europe program. So contrary to most funded Horizon Europe project, we are not developing new research methods or tools. We are actually harvesting the existing ones and trying to adapt them to the user's needs, so your needs, and to increase the uptake in the society. So this project started in January 2023. So we are quite advanced in the development of the project. And we have about 1.5 years to still complete the project fully. It's coordinated so by us, Ecorys, and we have 20 partners involved, and you can find all the partners here. And we have a really good coverage at EU level. So we plan to support the design and the monitoring of the national strategic plan for the CAP. So how do we do that? Well, we provide shared knowledge based on what has been used and what is ready and have been developed by the scientific committee and are ready to be used by competent authority. And to do that, we have identified the different methods and tools, and we, to a certain extent, adapt some of them to the specific needs you may be facing. And the academic module is one of the way we try to empower you in using those methods and tools. We also establish what we call replication lab. So is really testing those tools and the adaptation in different settings in different countries. So who are the main beneficiaries? So the top one are the policymakers, so national competent authorities, but also university researchers, innovators, and to some extent farmers and other stakeholders. Where are we at? So we have finished, at the beginning of the project, we start to conceptualize what entails the new delivery model of the CAP, of the CAP. What does it mean at national level? What in terms of activities for the design of the CAP? We have looked at what are the existing model, and we have compiled it in a public inventory that you can have access online. We provided methodological guidelines to help you to use those tools. And the idea is to provide a handbook to support the applications and the best practices. And right now we are running 10 different case studies in different countries. Sorry, slide. So as mentioned before, we have an inventory online. It looks a bit like that. So I really encourage you to look at it, and the inventory is updated. So if you have visited the inventory 2 years ago, well, it has changed since then, since we just recently updated. So really, I encourage you to go on it and to leave a comment if you think that the tool set is not appropriate for your needs. How the inventory is structured, just broadly. So we have 4 categories of tools. Today we will be focusing on tools who are more qualitative based for stakeholder needs and assessment tools, and policy choice supporting tools. We have 4 categories: monitoring, policy analysis, policy choice, and stakeholder need assessment tools. So you can browse the inventory according to those different categories. Right now, as mentioned before, we are performing different case studies. You can see here on the screen the outlook of the different case study, where we test quantitative models, data and monitoring models, qualitative and participatory methods, but also integral approach, where we mix different tools to a specific needs for national competent authority. Of course, I also invite you to go to our website to check our deliverables, where we provide more information, even that on the inventories, if you want to dig deeper into the specificity of a given tool. So I think that's it for me. I wish you all a pleasant module, and I hope you will learn something today new, and don't hesitate to get in touch with us or to get involved. Thanks a lot.